PJ Masks fans! Welcome to the Romeo game, where we open surprise eggs from our favorite Disney Junior and Nick Jr. shows. Today we will be playing the Romeo game with a surprise guest. Are you ready to see who it is? It's Romeo, the nighttime villain from PJ Masks. Hi Romeo! He looks so excited to play the game. Let's see which surprise eggs we'll be opening today. We have Romeo, Nick Wilde, Spider-Man, Shimmer, Mickey Mouse, a second Romeo egg, Amaya from PJ Masks, Paul from Kung Fu Panda, a third Romeo egg, Rubble from Yo Gaba Gaba, Masha, and Rubble from Paw Patrol. Are you ready to play the Romeo game? In the Romeo game, Romeo is going to push his red button to stop the board and see which surprise egg we open. But if we land on Romeo 3 times, we lose the game. Romeo, are you excited to play the Romeo game with us? But I know you like to cheat a lot. You won't try to cheat and be a naughty villain, right? Alright, let's see which character is first. Wow, there it goes. I wonder who it will land on when Romeo pushes the button. And it landed on Mickey Mouse. Nice! Sorry, Romeo, it didn't land on one of your eggs. Now we get to open the Mickey Mouse egg. Let's take off the blue Play-Doh. This is a cool cupcake egg. Okay, let's open this up and see what's inside. It's a Minnie Mouse Tsum Tsum toy. I love Tsum Tsum toys. Minnie looks so cute here. Mickey and Minnie make such a nice team. Okay, time to see which egg we open next. Romeo, you have to leave the red button down on the table. I think Romeo is thinking about how he can cheat. You can hit the button when you want to stop the board. And it's Masha from Masha and the Bear. That's another point for us, Romeo. Awesome! Okay everyone, which animal does Masha like to play with? Let me know in the comments! Let's see what's inside this pink egg. Oh, cool! It's a light-up Yazo. This is a Disney Princess Yazo. When you press here, it lights up, like this. Cool! And this Yazo is also a sticker. So you can stick it on your shirt. Awesome! Romeo looks like he has his own Yazo. He likes playing with Yazos also. Be careful, Romeo. Yazos are sticky. Uh-oh, it's stuck on Romeo's glove. And he can't get it off. Romeo got the Yazo on his hand, but now it's on his face. Okay, Romeo, let's see which character is next. Push the button when you want to stop. Oh no! It landed on Romeo! Look how happy Romeo is now! This is our first Romeo. If we get Romeo 3 times, we lose. Let's open this Romeo egg and see what's inside. Okay, are you ready? Uh-oh, it's pink slime! We got slimed by Romeo! Romeo loves to leave a lot of icky slime in his eggs. He's such a tricky night villain. Romeo's slime is super sticky. It sticks to your hands when you touch it. Romeo is so happy that he slimed us with his gooey pink slime. Romeo makes all this slime in his science lab. Okay, Romeo, it's time to put down the slime and see which surprise egg we open next. hope he doesn't stop on another Romeo egg. And it landed on Amaya from PJ Masks. Awesome! That's another point for us. Okay, PJ Masks fans, which PJ Masks hero does Amaya turn into at nighttime? Gecko? Catboy? Owlet? Okay, now that the Play-Doh is removed, let's see what's inside the surprise egg. Awesome! It's an Elsa Tsum Tsum figure. Look at Elsa's blue eyes and blonde hair. I like her beautiful blue dress. Alright, Romeo, let's see which egg is next. The board is moving so fast. I wonder who it will stop on. Nice! It landed on Spider-Man. Spider-Man is one of my favorite superheroes. Spider-Man uses his spider webs to fly across the city. Let's remove the orange Play-Doh and check out the surprise. Cool! We have a Spider-Man figure inside. Spider-Man is wearing his spider costume and he is standing by a wall. It looks like he's about to fly across a building. It looks like Romeo has his own Spider-Man toy. Romeo doesn't like superheroes because they always stop evil villains like himself. Okay, Romeo, stop shaking the Spider-Man toy. It's time to see which egg we open next. And the board goes round and round. Where will it stop? And it landed on Nick Wilde from Zootopia. Sorry, Romeo, that's another point for us. Nick Wilde is a nice fox who helps fight villains, just like a superhero. Now let's open this egg and find a surprise inside. Wow, I see a toy figure. Who is this? Oh, it's Judy Hopps. Judy is a brave rabbit cop in Zootopia. She looks so cool in her police uniform. She's tiny, but she's very brave. Look at her two long bunny ears. Hey, what is Romeo doing with that pink slime and Judy Hopps toy? Oh no! I think he's going to slime her. Romeo, stop trying to slime Judy Hopps and let's play the game. I wonder who it will land on when he pushes the button. And it's Romeo! Oh no! He got us again! Romeo got us for the second time. Romeo is so mean to us. I just hope he didn't leave us too much slime in this egg. Let's check it out. Oh no! This time it's purple slime. This purple slime feels so icky. Romeo must have made a special slime machine to slime us. Slime is fun to play with, but it feels so sticky when you touch it. Now let's move on to the next character. Romeo is so happy. Romeo loves when he gets to slime us. Romeo makes the slime super sticky when he makes it in his science lab. Okay, let's see who is next. If it lands on another Romeo egg, we lose the game. And it's Rubble from Paw Patrol. Awesome! The Paw Patrol saves us from Romeo. Thank you, Rubble. Rubble is a yellow member of Paw Patrol, and he's a bulldog pup. I like his yellow helmet on his head. Now let's see what's inside. Oh, cool! It's a Minecraft toy. This is attacking guest. Look at his square face. And he is spitting fire toward us. That looks so funny. 1, 2, 3, 4. We only have 4 more eggs left. Hey, what is Romeo doing with the button? Is he using his tools to cheat and make the button pick a Romeo egg? Stop it, Romeo! I see what you're doing! You're such a naughty nighttime villain! Okay, let's see which egg is next! I hope Romeo didn't do anything bad to the button. And it's... Shimmer from Shimmer and Shine! Nice! Another point for us! Shimmer is a genie and she makes wishes come true with her twin sister Shine. I wonder what Shimmer left us inside the egg. Let's find out. Wow, I found something pink. What's this? Oh, I think it's a stamp with a flower picture. Let's try it out on paper. Awesome! We just stamped 3 beautiful flowers on the paper. Now let's close the cap so the stamp doesn't get dried out. So we only have Po from Kung Fu Panda, Robbie from Yo Gaba Gaba, and 1 Romeo egg left. Okay, Romeo, let's see which egg is next. Press the button when you're ready to stop. I'm so nervous to see which you will land on. Awesome! It's Po from Kung Fu Panda. Sorry, Romeo. That's another point for us. Po is a giant panda who is a huge Kung Fu fan. Have you ever seen the movie Kung Fu Panda? Now it's time for the surprising side. Wow, we found Max from The Secret Life of Pets. Max is a dog who loves his owner. He looks like so well trained. I can't wait to see this movie. Now we only have 2 more eggs left. Is it gonna land on Robbie or Romeo? It looks like Romeo has all his science equipment on the table. Is he trying to do a science experiment on Max the dog? Romeo is such a bad villain. He's always doing something naughty. Stop it, Romeo. Leave Max alone. It's time to see which egg is next. This is our last turn to see who wins the game. Are you all ready? Will it land on Yo Gaba Gaba or Romeo? It landed on Yo Gaba Gaba. We won the game! Romeo tried to cheat a lot, but we were able to stop him just like the PJ Masks do. Sorry, Romeo, but your evil plan didn't stop us. Now let's open our last surprise egg. Robbie is a little green monster who likes to eat carrots and green beans. I wonder what Robbie left us in the egg. Wow, it's Toby from Sheriff Kelly's Wild West. Toby is green like Robbie. I like his cowboy hat. When you push Toby's legs, he dances. Look, his cactus dance looks so funny. Okay, even though we won, let's be nice to Romeo and open his last Romeo egg. Romeo, I hope you don't slime us again. Let's open this green egg and see. Oh no, Romeo! You slimed us again! This time it's green slime. And there is so much of it. It's so sticky. That's not nice, Romeo. I like pulling it apart and stretching it out. I had so much fun playing the Romeo game with you. We opened our surprise eggs from our favorite shows and we beat the night villain Romeo. If you like the Romeo game, give me a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel for more fun games. This is Ellie Sparkles. Bye!